This side, a 24-year-old king guy. That's my new channel. I just recently started my new channel. I have just created till now. I have just created 3 videos, but I think that I have provided a great value to my audience. And today I am here just to share something about affiliate marketing. I just want to share that why is the affiliate marketing a best business model in the present 2020, why one should start it. That is something today's topic, and I just want to say one thing, that if you are new to the channel, please subscribe it and share it to the people who are requiring it. Okay, that's it. Let's start the video. Let's start it. I am here just to share, as I said before, that why is affiliate marketing the best business model in 2020. I'm just here to share with you that why it is. So I will give today 4 or 5 most important reason why one should start it, or why it is the best business model. So I will include the first and the most important point, I think, which most of the people are thinking of, that you will not have any kind of boss. You will don't have any boss who will give you the order. As in any other business model in digital space or in any space, you will definitely have one or the other person who will give you the order, or who will require the results on time. But in the affiliate marketing business, it is not like that. It is as simple as that. You makes the sales, you will get the commission, and you doesn't, then you will not. And I am totally in this business due to the one and the only reason that I don't want any boss. I want my freedom to work, and I also want the freedom of earning. How much I want to earn, I can earn. That is my first and the most important reason why I started the business of affiliate marketing. Okay, with this we will go to the second reason why one should do affiliate marketing, or why is it the best business model. The second is, there is no headache of managing anything. I mean to say, there is no headache of shipping or services, after services, after delivery services to the customer. It is all done by merchant. It will be all done by the merchant, and there is no headache of maintaining any stocks, any company, I mean to say, any factory or any rents, nothing. You just have to look after the marketing part of the business. As many as I said before, as many sales you make, you will get as many commission. That is the second reason why I think one should do affiliate marketing. And it is the total time freedom business, which I think I am in, due to this one or two reasons why I am in this business. Okay, with this we'll go to the third reason, that is it is very low cost effective business. You don't have any high cost. As I said before, there is no headache of maintaining any factory or any stocks or any inventories. No, nothing expenses of maintaining any kind of what materialistic things, or any raw material, or any manufacturing expenses. Just the expenses are of running ads. As you want to generate the sales, you have to run some ads on social media, or on different social media platforms. You have to run some ads like Google, Facebook, Instagram. That is some expense which can be increased as per the requirement, and which can be reduced as per the requirement. It totally depends upon you. If you want to spend just $5 a day, you can spend $5 a day. We just have to run the ads, because as much we make sales, that much we gain the commission, or we gain the amount of earning. Okay, that's the third reason why one should do affiliate marketing, or why it is the best. And with this we will go to the fourth reason why one should start affiliate marketing. So my fourth reason is just as simple as that. It is an total passive income model. You have to work, but maximum time you just don't have to work that much. How much you work in the active income, active earning income. because in affiliate marketing business you just have to generate leads and make sales, which can be done just by you can also create website, and your website will work for you 24/7 because you have posted the content over there, and which will work as salesman for you. As attractive as your content is, more leads will get attracted and you can make as much as sale. Because see, for example, if you are doing affiliate of any t-shirt or any sports t-shirt, for example, you are getting 100 rupees per t-shirt, then when you are sleeping, at the time of at the night you are sleeping, you are selling 10 t-shirts, you will get 100 into 10, which will be 1000. Simply you got 1000 rupees while you are sleeping. It is as simple as that. It is not just up to 10, you can even sell 100 t-shirts through your website. So it is totally, I think that it is totally a passive income model. If you are on vacation, you are sleeping, you are with family, you are anywhere in the world, you can easily earn a great amount of money from the affiliate marketing business model. So this is the fourth reason why one should do affiliate marketing, or why it is the best business model to earn. And fifth reason, I just want to share that it is the time free and place free business model. You don't have to go to office daily and you have to work for fixed 9 to 5, or you have to work for 12 hours or 10 hours. It is not nothing like that. You just can work for 2 to 4 hours a day and you can earn. It totally depends upon you. If you want to earn more, you have to work more. If you just have to generate the passive income or side income, then you can easily earn from 2 to 3 hours of work per day. It is not like you have to go to office and listen to your boss. It is totally free, time based. If you are on vacation, from your vacation place also you can work as in hotel or any resort or anywhere. And time, as you can work at night also, in morning also, in evening also, at noon, at any time, whenever you want to work, you can easily work. So that's my fifth reason why one should do affiliate marketing, or why it is the best business model to start. And I just want to give an additional benefit, or additional reason, one additional reason why one should start it because it is a long lasting business model. It will be continued. It is an sustainable business, because as we all know, internet is booming. As we all know, online market is going to boom in the next years. So affiliate marketing as an win-win situation for all, as merchants are selling, getting their customers. As an affiliate, we are getting the commissions. As an customer is getting the best products they want, they are getting the best product quality they want. So it is win-win situation for all. And it is, as businesses, online businesses are rising, on the rise in India. Specifically in India, it is on the rise. I can guarantee that it is a sustainable business, and it is going to last for a long time. So that's my 5 reasons, and one additional reason for why the affiliate marketing is best business model to start with. So I just want to say one more thing. If you are new to the channel, then please subscribe. If you get the value, please like it and share it to the people who want it. Okay, bye.